Okay, hi, I'm Sameer Basnet. I'm a tech student at the British College, and today I'm presenting my project demonstration of Advanced Software Engineering (ASE) to let's begin. First of all, these are the field I'm filling. My Twitter group is Dukan Group 2. I understand that I must upload full code to the upload link to on my Beckett by the deadline. If I do not upload by the deadline, regardless of GitHub commit, I will be subject to a rate penalty. I agree with that. I'm recording a YouTube demo doing this form on the screen and explaining my code with each question, and I will submit this form. Yet I agree with that. I understand that if my YouTube video demo video is over 15 minutes long, I will have to verify my YouTube account. Yet I understand that I will put markers in my video for each question. Okay, I understand that. Now I will lead the assignment hand in instruction before asking question answer to how you do the above earlier. For example, yet I will do that. I will use the rated boot program found in GitHub link, and I have checked that I have the latest version of boot DLL assignment directly. Yet now I will go to which boot version I'm using. For let me load my program, and I have whenever my program it run and it close it to the boot about boot information to let me run it quickly. Here you can see I'm running BOOSE version 1.9 9 with it one of the with it the latest BOOSE version version control. My GitHub username is let me the it as you can see B Tommy 112. So I'm keeping that in the form. And link of my LiFo is this, and that also I'm putting here in the form. A full link to the documentation tight in my document is we are not able to take things here, so I was not able to vote GitHub edit on this lipo, but I have created another my personal lipo with it public, and well I have voted the GitHub edit. As you can see, my GitHub edit link it has been loaded, and you can see here I have all the documentation required for my project. You can see it in every directory are mentioned here, like for command, for examples. You can see here, and I can reload this also, and you can see in the URL page that I'm my GitHub help documentation has been listed in GitHub URL. So I'm pasting this URL there. Total number of commit by the path to deadline. Till now, as you can see, I have 99 commits. So I'm putting here 99 comments. At least 5. I already have 99 comments. So basically, I have at least 5 more documented comments. Updated readme MD file with full details name and etc. Yet I have updated my readme file, as you can see here. I have done testing boot program testing also, and I have keep the link to photo screenshot of testing in this readme file also, so that everything is good. It will be helpful for my profiters to look dot by glance. Use of interface. Yeah, I have used interface it in my code. Basically, I will tell you. 1 minute. Here you you can see I have implemented I canvas for my drawing back canvas, and another also I have implemented I pattern in program pattern 2 to the requirement is done. Folder unit testing, unit test or test for all my classes to in your code. As you can see here, I have done testing for all of my coded classes. So let me launch it quickly. As you can see, I have 179 tested in all tested are parted. Here you can see I have done testing for all of my codes, and all of the code are learning as I have just run my code. Good. Unit testing for with HTML comment clearly doing in it proposed to in your code. Unit test documented with okay. As you can see here, I have properly documented every uh, as you can see here, I have the HTML comment for all my classes in test project 2 to test project HTML comment it also done to unit test documentation with HTML comment clearly showing its proper tone in your my code. Unit test run in part to them running in the test framework given or glintic. Yet, as I previously told, by running my all tests, design pattern factory design pattern used for code generation to it in your code. Yet, as you know, I have used factory generation for let me to you program. Here you can see I have used my command factory uh, uh, command factory which will have from which my command dynamically to it with class to use to in the variable or command it fast to this is my implementation of command factory. As you can see here, I have properly implemented command factory additional design pattern to other design pattern and explain why they are used. Okay, so basically, I have used I have used compound. I have used uh, composite pattern for grouping command into complex operation. I can do that here. As you can see in my compound command, here you can see this compound command is inherited by uh, else class, if else, as you can see here, if else if class. So basically what it dot all loop classes you mostly all loops in my program use it did program composite class compound command to draw loops in app loop control in everything related with the loop. And another pattern I have implemented in my project is uh, template design pattern. As you can see, I have command circle, command clear. They are basically templates which are derived from a awful class, one command class which have different variable in different way they interact with the code. Because code they all are generally extended from that command center, but they be differently. So in my code there is the possibility use of uh, design pattern too. I have done this design pattern to promote scalability, maintainability, and modulability by adhering to toilet multiple interlinked in architecture and facilitating code extensibility and reusability to address best practices in software engineering. My design pattern, as I already explained, it's composite pattern, PATTER pattern, composite pattern, and template pattern. Before moving on to that, you have got the latest version of BOOSE library installed to the output from the boot about method with really put it version. If you have totally written the library, then .t2. Previously, I have done that. I have called the boot about methods, methods and variables. Leaflet int class 2 it learning. Boot example program to variable boots input an image of it learning in the team directly at the boot program to the program running in to your code. Okay, so let me dot run my program. I have implemented we can type in load command from text files also to let me dot input my previously learned int command text file load command. So you want me to learn up int, to let me learn up only clicked int command. Now let me learn it. As you can see, the int command is learning and it is screenshot has been kept in the table directly to. As you can see here, I have put the images. In my GitHub directly to it will be yet paste the link to the image file in your repo. Leave all fields blank if you have entered no. I will okay, repeat real class to it learning. Okay, to let me to up real class learning to basically I will let it canvas and I will let it command 2. Again, let me load my commands to we mean we have to do real class working to let me on it clicked it on it clicked it real command. For load command only clicked it real command, it loaded successfully. Now let me run it. As you can see, in we got warning for Tolkien also 8. Tolkien cannot draw real value to its value, but like to add given it output to basically repeat real class method doing it learning with example variable to the program running into your code. Yet did it also done. Now let's learn for array. I will let it the canvas. Okay, first let me lead the question. Repeat array class to it learning boot example variable on clicked it. Let boot input an image of the it learning in the theme directly at the boot program to the program learning into your codes. To let me lead it command line also. Now let me add load command in only clicked it array. Command load it as you can see here and let me run it. So basically it is running to repeat array class to it learning. The task has been done in yet and as you can see I have also already clicked it screenshot up on it clicked it array it running and put it in my GitHub repo and only clicked it real kit also I have already screenshotted and put it in my repo. If while working on it clicked it. Okay, let me show you my while lit working, to basically let go to fault in loops and unlit while. Okay, unlit while command loaded, and here it launches, and you can see it is learning to basically while working with unlit code also. Yet in repo, I will tell you the repo where I have put the programs also with a Glapton program if in loops, and as you can see on it while t.png it here, as you can see it here. To let me keep this link here while working image of layer working also, array working also. I will have it here, array only clicked it, le only clicked it, lit.png. Okay, this image also here, and only clicked it layer, only clicked it layer .png, this url also here, only clicked it int, it url also here. Okay, now we have to do fault working fall on your lit working. To let me lit it my canvas, read it command box 2. Now let me load command, and we have to run on lit fall command has been loaded. So you can look it here, and I'm running the command, and as you can see it is running. Basically I have put canvas dimension taking to check whether it will fit in canvas or not. So I am getting the error, or no error is there, dot it is saying that total dimension cannot fit in my canvas type. So it is a validated tip, so it is coming that error. And for working on it clicked it to it learning, yet I have done in link for it in here for only clicked it for only ticked for date png. As you can see it is here, and I'm keeping image link here. Now we have to do if only clicked it working. To let me to clear the canvas thoughts, and then clear the canvas thought, then lit it the canvas 2. Now rate me it file, and load only clicked it if command, only clicked it command logic. Okay, here I'm doing for both if method and else method, so it may little differ for the command, but it will learn. Basically that blue need not to come because that will be in advert, but I'm learning one for if command in where if kit will learn in one for will app kit will learn in this output came. But I have that the link only clicked it if that for done for if only to this will come, that blue talker in rectangle won't come. So basically or if working only clicked it, yet my if it looking only clicked it in the link to the testing it here, else working only clicked it. Yeah, I have dot to new that also in the link to for it also uh, it in control F only clicked to n e. Here it for if with I have done from my control F, which I have deployed in additional feature to method class working to it learning. Okay, to let me do for now method class let it convert let it file load command, and I have method. I have to run method. Add method. I have only clicked it code only, so I'm loading it. As you can see, it has been loaded and I'm learning it. And here is the output of the method learning to basically repeat method class were working yet, and link for repeat method class it here. My AAT method only clicked it method .png, and I'm keeping it here. Have you done anything else that is additional and substantial? Did it not just mold of the theme, but something challenging taught it with Bolton, or a different type of output taught it tagged with graphics, or edit other boot command that do something programmatically, other not, other graphically tape etikla and repeat phraser. It told program done everything from scratch, but used proper extensible structure in structural deficiency and injection etikla. Yeah, it for my additional text, I have developed a control application, which I'm going to tell you. It is a Windows application, but it take command from control and run it in the program. Let me give a demonstration of that to you. Now let me present it. Yeah, as you can see, it has been loaded. Okay, now let me type move to 100, pin type. Oh, and I have implemented new command pin type 2 with tips pin type with alpha 2 tip pin type of how many type we how much wide we need it. And for learning the command, you have to just run until the run, and the program will run. The program will run. And if you now you can again do, like, if I want to delete the program, I just delete it and enter and run, then the program running. Did it also capable of learning method also. So I will to you example of this control app learning method. So basically I need my command to let me design it. Let me put the method here. Basically, this control app can do everything that my Windows main Windows form can do, but it will not take output in. But it take input from control and it protected it and give the output in the Windows form. To let me to the code for it. For it, basically, I have done it. I have created a new project, Windows project. In Windows project, I have not done uh, trading to make this project work. Trading, I have used trading for connecting Windows form and control app together, together, so that I can achieve that program learning, executing from giving input from control and doing output in Windows form. It basically I did. I have used deal import kernel 32 DLL to allocate control in my application. In for control, I have used trading as I did. As you can see here, trade control trade. I have created a new trade. It will now mm, have the logic how the control take the input into it in the output form. So basically, edit no required, and it was little challenging. So I will did here. This will be it here, and to what I did that. I have done contour bit input in Windows form, take control, take command input, take command input from contour, rotate it and output the command output in Windows form. Faculty youth explain. I haven't used AI, so I will basically did AI and I understand Pelgrim check will be it. I applied in form library used. For library, I have used other than it in the library. Mostly it in the library. The other library I just use it. Let me tell you. In my method states, I have used uh, reflection. I have used reflection age. There is a content variable limit of 5, and after it count, it included the quantity to it keep that reflection of method count, variable count, compound command count. I dot use reflection. Reflection is dot a way to activate a private variable from parent card into assign its value to any to whatever we need. So basically, I'm doing what it I'm using reflection to attain the values in method class, boolean class, and to 0 after each use. As you can see, I have little logic here, and I have called that here to achieve that, to bypass that reflection variable limit of 5, a method limit of 2, uh, n uh, and compound command limit of 2. 2 I have particularly used for reflection library extender active that other things are extender library other extender faculty. I haven't used other I have used docfx for documentation generation to docfx any other commit. So basically I will give you to my information or comment on what I have done. So basically I have developed control F P okay, I have filters control F TONLE control F canvas type canvas load command type command load. Oh, I have forget, sorry for my bad. I have forget to tell you that command canvas type in canvas load command to let me just basically to you canvas type in canvas load feature 2. So basically I will learn this command. Wait. So basically I will learn this command. Run, and basically I can type this command or type this canvas also to paint canvas type canvas, and basically I can type it in here. Oh no, let me type it in desktop. Type canvas and type, and okay, it had been typed. Now let me tell you where it had typed the canvas. Uh, Type canvas. As you can see, we can type our canvas too, and other additional things are like help. I have when you I have about what form also I have explained everything, and I have also user guide form. We took the user command in what command we have taught like that. So it's your user command also. And if you want to exit the program, you just exit command. That all. Thank you. Now I understand I must upload my code to my Beckett. I understand if I don't submit my code before the deadline to my backliggate without agreed mitigation, then I will receive a penalty, late penalty. I must submit this form. You will receive material that your response has been recorded. Please read the hand instruction on my Beckett and see the flexible and polite it all in the assignment project. Yes, thank you for studying. To taking this mod, I want to conclude my demonstration here. Thank you. It is